Bitcoin has been on a roller coaster today. Polygon partners with a city in Europe, and Cardano has been making some big moves. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. As always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Now, let's get into the news. Bitcoin has been on a roller coaster of volatility today as we had another FOMC meeting. Jerome Powell from the Federal Reserve spoke today on what the economy is looking like, how the fight on inflation is going, and what he sees for the US in the future. As expected, we received another 75 basis point hike today for the fourth time in a row, bringing the Fed's funding rate to a target of 3.75% to 4%. While a raise in interest rates typically wouldn't seem great for the market, it was pretty much guaranteed that this is what it was going to be, and when those numbers came out at 2 p.m., the markets rallied and Bitcoin surged to 20,800. It was then in the 2:30 meeting when Jerome spoke that the market started to sell off, as many realized that Jerome thinks there's still a long way to go and that the funding rate will most likely have to go higher than expected. We had previously thought that it would be 5% total by March 2023, but now it's seeming like it could be 5.5% or more. The market sold off as well when they realized Jerome would rather restrict the economy too much and be too harsh getting inflation under control, and then if need be, turn on the money printer again a little bit after. All in all, we've stayed between the 20 and 21K range so far. We may just have to see how the CPI data reports do when they come out on November 10th. It has been an event-filled week with Elon and Twitter, as Elon has now come out saying that the creators will be able to monetize their content on Twitter. Elon also mentioned that Twitter Blue would be about $8 per month, which would verify users as real people to help fight off the large amount of bots. Everyone then began speculating on what you would pay for this subscription with. In an interview, Elon mentioned how not many people pay for subscriptions to news publications, and instead, why not pay per article with 1 or 2 Dogecoins?
There's no chance you would become a subscriber. So they're not losing a subscriber, but they are annoying everyone who's not going to be a subscriber. So there's got to be some way to solve that.
Once a quarter.
Yeah, exactly. It's like,
Twitter,
I'll pay 10
Doge.
cents for this article or something. Exactly.
I like
1 Dogecoin for this article.
Yeah.
Binance, who has partnered with Elon Musk on the Twitter acquisition, recently launched a Bluebird index comprising of BNB, Dogecoin, and Mask Network. This new index is on Binance Futures and is denominated in USDT. The index is weighted with about 52% BNB, 42% Doge, and about 6% Mask Network. As of right now, Mask is up 70% in 24 hours. Polygon continues to announce great news even in the bear market. The world's largest bank, JP Morgan, and Singapore's central bank did the first live trade in DeFi. This was, of course, powered by Polygon, as financial institutions are being increasingly comfortable in experimenting with public blockchains. Reddit NFT trading volume has just passed $10 million as the NFT renaissance is happening on Polygon as we speak. Polygon also partners with Tether to support European city Lugano in becoming a blockchain-powered city. Lugano will enable citizens and companies to use Bitcoin, Tether, and the city's LVGA stablecoin to pay their annual taxes, parking tickets, public services, and student tuition fees, paving the way for cryptocurrencies to become legal tender in the city. Polygon joins the initiative as an infrastructure partner in which the stablecoins will run on. The city will set up a $110 million fund to help finance blockchain-based startups and speed up local businesses' adoption. Do you guys think this is the first of many more cities like this to come? Ethereum's largest whales are back in hodling mode. Should we be as well? Since the ETH merge 48 days ago, Ethereum's top 10 largest non-exchange wallets have added 6.7% more ETH to their portfolios. There's a few factors as to why they may be accumulating more. The first being that since the merge, there's been reduced selling pressure with Ethereum miners who had to sell the asset to cover their expenses, just like Bitcoin miners do. Another factor is Ethereum's reduced supply issuance. Since the merge, there's now about 5 million fewer Ethereum per year being created, taking the yearly supply growth from 3.6% down to 0.09. As we go deflationary and the network demand increases, more ETH is being burnt than is being produced, and that is great for price. And third is that the merge cut energy consumption by 99.9%, making the asset that much more appealing to environmentally conscious institutions. Arbitrum, a layer 2 rollup for Ethereum, has seen its network activity spike to new heights as anticipation mounts for an airdrop. The buzz has boosted the total value of digital assets locked on the network by more than 13% over the past month. Arbitrum's TVL is just over $1 billion, eclipsing Ethereum rival Solana and even direct competitor Optimism. Not to mention the transactions have shot up more than 550% since the launch of its Nitro network upgrade in August. Now representing 62% of the weekly transactions on Ethereum, before the surge, Arbitrum handled just 9% of Ethereum activity. And of course, much of the activity is likely from speculators trying to boost their on-chain activity in the hopes of receiving a larger airdrop, as the founders have hinted that it could occur in a similar fashion as Optimism's. Crypto.com and Visa are bringing NFTs to the 2022 World Cup. In a hybrid experience, they are doing an NFT auction of iconic goals from the World Cup, and you can even visit the digital LED pitch in Doha, where they track your movement and turn it into a unique NFT art. You can read the full article on our website, altcoinbuzz.io, and I'll have it linked down below. Layer 1 blockchain Cardano's network activity has grown drastically in the last month following the Vassal upgrade, which increased the network's operating capacity while reducing transaction time. The upgrade went fully live on the Cardano network on September 27th, boosting the network's transactions 75% month to month. Cardano also sees 19% gains in active wallets in their mini-swap DEX and a 40% jump in trading volume in their NFT marketplace. This brings Cardano into the top 3 blockchains with the highest NFT trading volume in the last 30 days, only behind Ethereum and Solana. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. Thanks for watching.